Oh, hey there. What's the video right now? Hey. Oh, it's not time to record. Oh shit. It's time to record the video right now. So let me get ready. What's up class squad, it's Rohan here. Welcome to another new video. In this week's video we are going to be taking a look on 5 command prompt tricks that you must be using. So without any further wasting of time, let's jump into today's video. To do all of these commands, we need to start command prompt in administrative privileges. To open command prompt in administrative privileges, just right click on your start and then choose command prompt admin and allow the UAC. After that, command prompt will open and we can start using our commands. So the first command in our list is CPC Driver List. Using a simple command, you can see all the drivers installed on your computer. All you need to do is run Driverquery command and you will be seeing a list of all the drivers along with their name, type and other information. So all you're gonna need to do, type Driverquery and just press enter, and it will just load all the drivers that have been installed to your computer since you have installed Windows. And it may help you to find a malware on your system. So the second command is send an output to the clipboard. Very often you might have felt the need to save the output of a command. Usually people use copy and paste. However, using a simple command, you can send the command's output to the clipboard. Here's how to send the ipconfig information. So you gotta need to type ipconfig or your command, then you need to give it a space and then type this letter. This right here, you need to type this and then again space and then you need to type clip, 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 and then just press enter and you will see the usually ipconfig look like this, but Windows didn't show up this thing, it just copied to my clipboard. So let me show you how you can get this. So just create a new text document, right click on here and click on paste, and you can see the IP configuration or ipconfig's commands output have been copied to your clipboard without doing the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. So our next command is how you can change the prompt text. So this is called as a prompt text and it's maybe boring for sometimes. To do some kind of customizable font text, you just need to type here prompt, then your prompt text like @YT, and you need to type $G and then press enter, and boom, you can see the prompt text has been changed. So why did I use the $G? You can get the symbols here like help prompt and you will see all the characters are following special codes. Like I have used the $G, it shows the greater than sign. You can also use these things to make it even more cool. So next command is abort a command. What if you have pressed enter and you need to stop a command on its tracks? To do it, you need to just do a Ctrl+C. I'm not kidding, you just need to press Ctrl+C to abort that command. However, it isn't a magic trick that can undo an undoable thing. Like you just started deleting system32 using CMD and just press Ctrl+C, it won't work. It just work for some kind of commands like dir. If you type dir and press enter, it will go for like forever. To abort it, you need to just press Ctrl and C, and you can see here it stopped here. Let me do it again, and boom. So our last command in our list, to create a Wi-Fi hotspot right from your command prompt. Yes guys, you can create a Wi-Fi hotspot from your computer. If you have a Wi-Fi receiver plugged into your computer, it will work. So let me show you how you can do it. So before opening the command prompt to execute the command needed for this, you need to open control panel and find change adapter settings in the network and sharing option. Then click on the connection you are using and click on properties. Now find the sharing tab and then check the option allow other networks to connect through this completed connection. Click on OK. After that, and plug in your Ethernet cable into your LAN driver, otherwise it will not turn on the Wi-Fi. And then simply enter this command. To turn on the hotspot on your computer, you need to enter the following command. And the command is netsh wlan set hosted network mode allow ssid your hotspot name, your desired hotspot name, and key your password. Your password must be between 8 to 32 characters. Then press enter, and you can see here the hosted network mode has been set to allow, and it's already have been changed. Now we need to start the hotspots. To start the hotspot, we need to type here netsh wlan start hosted network and press enter, and your hotspot would be started. To stop the hotspot, we need to type netsh wlan stop hosted network, and the hosted network got stopped.
So that's it for today's videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and join Classy Squad by subscribing to the channel. So peace out, stay classy.